Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You need admin rights and a quick restore point. This prevents surprises. Once ready, open an elevated command prompt or PowerShell. Type bcdedit/set hypervisor launch type off to stop Hyper-V from launching at boot. This is the fastest, lowest risk first step because it simply prevents the hypervisor from loading. Make sure to reboot immediately so Windows applies the boot configuration change, and then continue with removal steps after the restart. Once done with the boot setting, and after a reboot, you can remove the feature itself. Open Windows Features and uncheck Hyper-V or run PowerShell. Disable Windows optional feature online feature name Microsoft Hyper-V All No Restart. This removes Hyper-V components without forcing an immediate restart. Alternatively, use dism/online/disable feature/feature name Microsoft Hyper-V All for scripted environments. Make sure to close VMs and related services first, then restart when you choose so Windows finishes cleaning up files and drivers. After rebooting, verify the change by running systeminfo and looking for Hyper-V VM monitor mode extensions, or use bcdedit/enum to confirm hypervisor launch type is off. If virtualization still appears active, make sure Hyper-V platform and related items are disabled in Device Manager and that no third-party virtualization is forcing it on. If problems persist, disable virtualization in BIOS/UE.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.